Create desktop shortcut for store app or software in Windows 11. So if you downloaded a certain software from your Microsoft Store using your default store and you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, so normally here you can see this Instagram app that I downloaded from Microsoft Store, but if I right click on it, at the very least the only option I have here is to pin this taskbar, which will basically just add in this taskbar. If I want to unpin it, I can do that. If that's what works for you, that's perfectly fine. But if you really want to add a desktop shortcut, there's only one way. Right click on it, click on new, and then click on shortcut right here. Now over here you simply have to browse to the location where that app is downloaded. Normally the app that you've downloaded will be in their C drive over here, so basically you can just try to go to this PC C drive and then just try to go to your program files over here, and once then you'll be able to see all of the other files that you might have downloaded here, right? If not, then you'll also be able to find them in this case, and once you've added that particular file in that case, then only you will be able to go ahead and then basically add it. Once done, you can click on the next option and you can simply type a name for this shortcut depending upon your app, and then just click on the finish option to create it. So this is the only way to do it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.